How to set up and install Xfinity Gateway. Step 1. Find a good location. Place the gateway near a working coax cable outlet in an open central area of your home and away from closets, cabinets, metal objects, and large electronics for better Wi-Fi coverage. Connect the coax cable. Locate the coax wall outlet. Connect one end of the coax cable to the wall and connect the other end to the gateway's cable RF port. Tighten by hand. Step 3. Plug in the power cable. Connect the power adapter to the gateway. Plug it into a wall outlet. Wait for the gateway to boot. Step 4. Wait for the light to stabilize. The light may blink for several minutes. Wait until it becomes stable according to your gateway model. Step 5. Install the Xfinity app. Download the Xfinity app, sign in with your Xfinity account, and tap Get Started. Step 6. Scan the gateway QR code. Use the app scanner, scan the QR code found on the gateway, and follow the activation prompts. Step 7. Create your Wi-Fi name and password. Choose a Wi-Fi network name, which is the SSID, and a strong Wi-Fi password. Then connect your devices. Open Wi-Fi settings on your device, select your new network, enter the password, and then verify internet access. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.